Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and today we are going to discuss the sounds of English language. And you know that there are 26 articles or alphabets in English from A to Z, but if you talk about the sounds, then there are 44 sounds, and out of 44 sounds there are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. And in today's video we are going to learn 24 consonant sounds, and here we should differentiate between the letter versus sound. Okay, so when we write we use ABCD, but when we speak we never use the letters, but we use the sound. So therefore we must differentiate between letter and from the sounds. So the letters we can see on your screen, that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are actually letters, and you know that there are 26 letters. And if you look at the interesting fact in this screen, so you can see that actually it is showing that there are only 40 sounds around, but actually I have already cleared you that there are 44 sounds. In this notes where you can see that it is written only 16 vowel sounds, but actually there are 20 vowel sounds. Actually there are 12 vowel sounds and 8 diphthongs. What that chapter we are going to see in another video, because today we are going to only focus on the consonant sounds, and there are 24 consonant sounds, and they are different from the letter which we have written. I have written just I have read it just A, B, C, D. Okay, so it is a different sounds, and now we are going to learn what are those sounds and how we are going to learn it. But before learning to produce the sounds that are used in English, let us quick look at the mechanism of speech. So when we speak, the air stream coming out of lungs is modified at different points and in many ways as it passes through the larynx. The image I'm going to show you the image very soon. So the image you can see that there is the larynx, the pharynx, the mouth, and the nasal cavity. These are the things. Okay, when you produce a sound, you know that we have to take a airstream in our lung, and when we try to produce a sound it comes through our this you know that the mouth, or we can say that the neck. Okay, it is called as a pharynx, and the vocal cords, all these things you can see now in your screen about that thing. Okay, the diagram is there, and this diagram is about the production of speech. So first the airstream moves up the windpipe or trachea and passes through the larynx containing the vocal cords. Okay, the two vocal cords can be brought together or kept apart, and the opening between them is called the glottis. When the vocal cords are kept close together, they vibrate when the air from the lungs passes between them through the narrowed glottis. This vibration produces voice speech sound, which include the vowels as well as some consonants such as b, d, g, m, v, z. Sounds produced when the vocal cords are kept fully apart are voiceless, such as consonant p, t, k, f, s. You can feel the vibration and its absence if you place your fingers on the sides of your neck when producing. For example, the sound b and p. Further, the airstream is also modified in the pharynx, the mouth cavity, and the nasal cavity. The roof of the mouth has three parts: the hard ridge, just behind the upper teeth, the hard palate, and the soft palate, which ends in the uvula that can be lowered to allow air to pass only through the nose to produce the nasal consonant m, n, n. During the production of all the other consonants in English, the uvula is kept raised so that the air escapes through the mouth, where its flow is obstructed in different ways and at different points. In studying how speech sounds are produced, the tongue can be seen as having three sections. The end of the tongue is called a tip. The parts upward is the velar ridge. Okay, so these are the things. So now we are going to see, we are going to learn the sounds of English. So you know that this is the very big problem when we try to speak in English, because we don't know exact pronunciation of the sound. So look at this sound. The first consonant sound is a p, it is not a p, and it is like that. In example, page, pate, pen, purse, apple, upper, helicopter, captain, tape, map, cap, cap. Next sound is the b sound, not b, and it is a in example like a bad, box, bean, bed, bird, break, blue, laboratory, etc. Next sound is a t sound. Okay, so here you can say that this sound which we can see here, don't pronounce it at its how it's spelling or what you have learned into the ABCD, but actually it is a different sound. Okay, so keep in your mind that this is the p sound. Okay, below it is a b sound, and below it is a t sound. Okay, so the t sound is for example, it is a toy, teen, test. Okay, so like that, these are the sound. Next sound is then next sound is the t sound. Which sound? T sound. Next one is a t sound. Okay, and the t sound, it is not a t, actually it is a t sound, and it produces like a toy, teen, test, tell, caterpillar, attract, attend, pattern, cat, late, kid. Okay, t sound. Next one is a d sound. It is not a d, it is a d sound. Okay, desk, den, doll, dress, adapt, adore, ladder, teddy, toad, paid, said, like that. Next one is a k sound. It is a k, not k. It is a k sound. For example, kid, kitchen, kettle, kind, king, liquor, wicket, mosquito, luck, block, lock, and pick. Okay, the k sound is there. Next one is a g sound. G, g in Marathi, g Ganpati. Okay, g sound is there. It is a gold, great, girl, goat, again, begin, argue, luggage, tug, pig, leg, plague. Okay, it's a g sound. Next one is a ch sound. Okay, it is a ch sound. Ch sound like a chin, church, chill, check, chart, chicken, actual. Okay, peach, ketchup, nature, lunch, catch. So ch sound. Next one is a j sound. J, like a jam, jelly, jail, gentle, jacket, agile, bridge, suggest, soldier, judge, lodge, fridge. Okay, so this is the j sound. Next one is a f sound. Okay, f sound. I'm repeating, first sound is there. For example, feel, fall, finger, first, afraid, laughter, safety. Okay, tough, cough, life, safe. Okay, so here is a p, b, t, d, k, g, ch, j, and f sound. Okay, here is are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sounds are there. Let's move to the next sounds. Now here is not a V, it is a V sound. Okay, V sound or V sound. Velocity, vain, victory, visit, liver, never, clever, reverse, live, love, live, brave. Okay, live. Okay, like that. So V sound or V sound we can say, call it. Okay. Next one is the th sound. Th sound is that, and for example, thin, thirst, thrust, third, think, thing, thunder, bath, both, mouth, mathematics, faith. Next one is the sound. Okay, you can see the symbols very clearly, because you have to read it. After my reading, you have to read it. Okay, this is the sound. For example, thus, that, them, there, then, though, father, mother, rather, either, neither, bath. Okay. Next one is the s sound. So, say in example like seed, sell, send, asset, ask, fast, missed, bus, purse, less, nice. Okay. Next one is a z, not z, z sound, like zest, zone, zoo, zero, jink, desire, reason, busy, lose, lives, hives, and birds. Next one is a sh sound. Sh. For example, sheep, sheet, shell, shout, fashion, lotion, ashes, portion, cash, polish, wish, bush. Next one is a z sound. Okay, first one was a j sound. Now it is a z sound. Z, like Rajapur, like that is pleasure, leisure, major, treasure, erosion, division, rose, bridge, marriage. Okay, so these are the things. Next one is a her sound. It is not a h, it is a her sound. For example, he, hot, hill, heavy, hen, huge, behind, perhaps. Okay, like that. Next one is a m sound, not a m, it is a m sound, like a mother, mind, mill, a master, harmful, temple, fumble. Okay, this is the m sound. Next one is a n sound. N, for example, nurse, never, not, need, tent, deny. Okay, like that. Next one you can see here. This is the similar to the n sound, but actually it is a bended here. So therefore it is called as a nya sound. Nya sound. Okay, like for example, finger, trunk, singer, uncle. Nya sound. Okay, it is a nya sound. Then next one is a l. L. It is not a L. Actually, it is l. So it is like a lead, lead, least, lemon. Okay, like that. And here you can see that r sound. Okay, r, that is the rat, roll, ribbon, or right, shrine, front. These are the sound. Okay, so here are in the next previous side we have seen 9 sounds, and here v, th, the, s, z, sh, z, h, m, n, ny, l, and r. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 साऊंड्स इथे आहे. अगोदरच्या स्लाइड मध्ये आपण 9 साऊंड बघितले आणि इथे 13 साऊंड. 13 म्हणजे 21 झाले आणि उरलेले जे 2 आहेत ते इकडे आहेत बघा. ओके, इट इज नॉट अ j, ऍक्च्युअली इट इज अ य साऊंड आया. and for example, u, l, lo, university, union, youth, few, huge, beautiful, queer, due, pupil. Okay, and the last one is a w sound. It is not a w, but it is a w sound. For example, water, well, winter, one, what, why, switch, reward, dwelling, draft, always, quiz. Okay, like that. So these were the sounds, and now this is the chart. You can see this chart, and this chart is about the it is divided into the unvoiced and voiced. Okay, unvoiced and voiced in the 2 parts. Okay, so unvoiced part there is a p, k. Okay, voiced and unvoiced. You can see that voiced म्हणजे काय, तर ज्यावेळेस तुमचे जे व्होकल कॉर्ड्स असतात, आपलं इथे तुम्ही जर गळा आहे, गळ्याची इथे कंठ तुम्हाला दिसेल बघा, त्या कंठाशी इथे जर बोट ठेवलं तुम्ही आणि जेव्हा तुम्ही हे साऊंड बोलाल म्हणजे प, क, ट, तर तिथे व्हायब्रेशन होणार नाही. ओके, तरंग तिथे त्या ठिकाणी उठणार नाही. पण जेव्हा तुम्ही व्हॉइस्ड बोलणार, जेव्हा तुम्ही ब बोलणार, ब, ग, तुम्ही बोट ठेवून बघा तिथे, की तुमच्या लक्षात येणार की ते तिथे व्हायब्रेशन होत आहे. ओके, देर इज अ व्हायब्रेशन. So there is the consonant can be divided into 2 categories like unvoiced and voiced. Unvoiced are p, k, t, f, s, th, sh, ch, and h. Okay, here you can say that the pen, kite, time, fox, stand, theory, show, chicken, hen. Okay, these are the examples, and here in the voice we can say that b is there, vibration is there. B, g, d, v, z. Okay, the, z, y, then l, m, n, ny, r, v, and y. Okay, these are the things. Okay, so I am repeating here, unvoiced and voiced. Okay, unvoiced म्हणजे काय, तर जे साऊंड, जे स्वर उच्चार काढताना आपल्या कंठामध्ये व्हायब्रेशन होत नाही, व्होकल कॉर्डचं व्हायब्रेशन होत नाही, त्याला अनव्हॉइस्ड म्हणतात. आणि ज्या ठिकाणी ते होतं त्याला व्हॉइस्ड म्हणतात. मी रिपीट करतो बघा, प, क, ट, फ, स, थ, श, च, ह, ब, ग, ड, व, झ, द, झ, य, ल, म, न, न्य, र, व, य. ओके, हे तुम्हाला ओळखता आलं पाहिजे. यू मस्ट रेकग्नाइज दिस साऊंड्स and you must practice it. Okay, so here is some activities you can see here. You have to open an online dictionary on your computer or your mobile after finishing this lecture, and then you have to listen the pronunciation of each word in the chart. Okay, हे चार्ट जे आहे, या चार्ट मध्ये जे काही प्रत्येक जे काही शब्द आहे ते शब्द ऑनलाईन डिक्शनरी मध्ये तुम्ही टाईप करायचे, अँड देन यू हॅव टू रीड द प्रोनाउन्सिएशन. ऐकायचे प्रोनाउन्सिएशन म्हणजे प्रोनाउन्सिएशन जे उच्चार तुम्हाला ऐकून दाखवले, किंवा गुगलला जर तुम्ही सांगितलं की प्रोनाउन्स मी PEN, then Google also pronounce, okay, the pen, kite. ते प्रोनाउन्सिएशन ऐकायचं तुम्ही कशा प्रकारे या चार्ट मध्ये जे आहे ते कशा प्रकारचे उच्चार करायचे भाग. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बे, बेट, गेट, डेट, वाउचर, झेब्रा, फादर, ट्रेजर, जेट, लेन, मॅट, नोज, रिंग, का, water, and Yugoslavia. Okay, so you have to do that activity at your home. Again, once you mastered the words from the above chart in the previous slide, the new word that has the sound at the beginning. Okay, तुम्हाला ते लक्षात येईल की कशी बिगिनिंग आहे, व्हॉइस आणि अनव्हॉइस इथे ठेवलेलं बघा, आणि याची तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिस करायची. लिसन टू द प्रोनाउन्सिएशन ऑफ वर्ड्स यू राईट इन द ऑनलाईन डिक्शनरी. ऑनलाईन डिक्शनरी मध्ये जाऊन तुम्ही काय करायचंय, त्याचा उच्चार जो आहे तो ऐकायचा अगोदर लिहिण्यापूर्वी, आणि त्याची तुम्ही प्रोनाउन्सिएशन करायचं, तुम्ही ते वाचायचं त्या प्रकारे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघा, इथे पेट आहे, स्पाइक आहे, कीप आहे, किस आहे, स्कूल आहे, शॉक आहे, इकडे बघा बट, नोबल, रॉब आहे, गर्ल, गिगल, लेग आहे. ओके, सो यू नीड टू डू प्रॅक्टिस. आता बघा इथे बघा ट साऊंड आहे, हे कसं येणार बघा, टाइम, स्ट्राइक, टेस्ट. ओके, फ साऊंड आहे, फेक, सफर, रूफ. स साऊंड आहे, स्मार्ट, रेस्ट, प्रेस. द साऊंड आहे बघा, थँक, हेल्दी, अर्थ. श साऊंड आहे बघा, शॉक, मोशन, रश. च साऊंड आहे, चीप, किचन, रिच. ओके, इकडे व्हाईस्ट मध्ये ड साऊंड आहे बघा, डे, रीडर, रॉड. व्ह साऊंड आहे, व्हॅन, रिव्हर, लव. ओके, झ साऊंड आहे बघा, झोडिक, रिझन, प्राइज. परत द आहे, दॅट, ॲदर, ब्रीद. नंतर झ आहे, झानं, डिसिजन, बीज. ओके, य साऊंड आहे बघा, ज साऊंड आहे बघा, जेली, मॅजिक, मॅरेज. ओके, again these are the list of, again, yes sound, hike, rehearsal. L sound, late, belly, tail. M sound, must, grammar, scam. N sound, noise, teacher, rain. N sound, English, reading. Okay, R sound is right. Okay, and W sound, wake, waking. Okay, then Y sound, yes, trial. These are the things. So you have to do an activity that you have to practice the sounds further by saying the following words loudly in pairs. Okay, and then you have to trace on the highlighted sound and pronounce them in a crisp manner, and notice how the meaning changes with the changes in sound. याची नोट्स मी टाकणार आहे तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिस करण्यासाठी, ऍक्टिव्हिटी करण्यासाठी. लेक्चर संपल्यानंतर मी ते टाकणार आहे, आणि त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला ती प्रॅक्टिस करायची. हे सगळे जे चार्ट्स आहेत त्या चार्टची तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे, ते ऐकायचे आहेत आणि मोठ्या मोठ्याने वाचायचे आहेत. ठीक आहे, तर या ठिकाणी आपलं जे काही साऊंड्स आहेत ते संपलेले आहेत.